Hi and welcome to another RC Pilot Pete Watson video. This one's going to be about the new Freewing 80mm 3D F9F-8 Cougar that I recently purchased. I've also bought an afterburner unit, but it is a little bit out of scale I suppose for this plane. I'm not sure if it had an afterburner or not, but thought it'd look cool. So I'll do this video just on the unboxing, but as per usual I'll not go through it in great detail. All I want to really look at is the quality of the packaging and how well the components have been packed into the box, let's say. So let's make a start. Okay, the Cougar was delivered in an outer packaging as well. I've disposed of this already. Nice brown cardboard box, quite thick. So very good. And then this is the usual Freewing top box and styrene foam packaging, let's say. Okay, you can see now the components. So first impressions are, as usual, from Freewing, very well packed. Not just Freewing as well, all models, modern models now come in excellent packaging like this, but I do like Freewing's packaging. It does seem to be a little bit better thought out. Recent FMS Scorpion I bought wasn't quite as good as the packaging on that, wasn't as good as this. So, but as you can see, it's got just these top retaining strips in for the wings. That's just to stop them slow moving around. They are individual, each component's individually wrapped in plastic. So, right, let's get the wings out. Okay, the wings are now removed. You can see how it would have fitted into the shallow part here and all protected. So very well protected. There's a top and bottom to the box. You can see the bottom component there, so we'll take out the components you can see now in a second, but nicely packed. And there's the wings in their own individual packaging. Okay, once the wings were out, you can see now that's the upper packaging finished. And all that was remaining after the wings were the missiles, canopy, some tube of glue, and one or two bits and pieces, nuts, bolts, that sort of thing, and the refueling tube that goes on the nose. Now let's make a start on the lower section. Okay, you can see now the fuselage. Okay, you can see now the top section's been removed, which is this bit here. You can see that the fuselage is in the lower box, and the lower part of the upper section is shaped to protect the fuselage and components within. The rudder here was actually up inside the box in that area there. So again, very well packed, very neat. Okay, I've moved the smaller components from the lower box, and as you can see, there's the fuel tank rails there, rudder, and two elevator halves. They were quite nicely packed in individual slots here, here, and here. And the rails were in there, so very nice. Okay, what you can see now is the fuselage is out of the packaging. Again, it's in its own cellophane wrapper just to give it the final bit of protection, but again very well moulded into the foam for good protection. But what I really like is these wooden protectors at the edge of the packing. The wing seats were on these areas, and because the box is a bit thinner either side, they've put some nice pieces of ply in there to just to help support this area of the box that here could potentially move, so that's excellent. Very, very nice piece of thinking from and engineering from Freewing. So that finishes the packaging and unboxing side of the Cougar. So we'll make a start on the building a bit.